Ang strong talaga ng atake ni Mami Kat. What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today, here's Kat, Trina Velarde, Morissette Amon, Clarice de Guzman, and Between for Ako Muna, isang segment nila sa ASAP natin yung last Sunday, no? So, ito yung nakalimutan kong i-react kahapon, and this was really on my mind until I started reacting and nakalimutan ko siya na i-react, no? So, yeah, ang na-react ko lang is yung kay Angeline Quinto with Yeng Constantino. Kumanta sila ng At Ang Hirap. So, that is why so, yun, nakalimutan ko. But yeah, anyway, so today is going to be the day na i-react natin to. So please do follow me on Facebook page, David Langas, and on Instagram, RealDavid_29 for more videos and updates about my social media activities. So let's jump right into the video. Ito ay Ako Muna by Katrina, Morissette, Clarice, and Between. Ayan, let's go. Para siyang si Goldilocks. Ang strong talaga ng atake ni Mami Kat. Sing. Bakit para siyang K-drama na OST? Yung chorus part. Ang ganda talaga ni Mami Kat eh. Sing. Ito na si Miss Between. Oh, Morissette. Unique din ng tone quality nito ni Miss Between. Ang ganda ng harmony ni Morissette. Low-key, ang galing talaga din ni Clarice, no? Walang walang bias, no? Kasi I think that Clarice until now is still underrated artist, no? Hindi siya masyadong nako-consider sa mga big events or mga, you guys know what I was saying, no? So, yun. But I think that Clarice really has that certain star quality na hindi pa, for me, hindi pa talaga nabibigay sa kanya. She's still underrated, no? Compared sa iba, no? Like, for example, let's say Morissette. Morissette is Morissette. And I think that she deserves, like, that certain acknowledgement. Ooh, key change. Kalang! Nice. Gusto ko talaga yung melody na yan. Kalang! Nice. That was very simple, no? Very simple lang yung ano nila, atake nila. It was nothing fancy, no? Wala masyadong bardagulan, but I think that they delivered it with a very sweet tone na talagang may emosyon, no? May emosyon coming from the heart. Very sincere yung delivery nila. So, it's very refreshing to also hear something like this na wala masyadong bardagulan, wala masyadong sigawan or mga high notes, but still they were able to connect to people like me while reacting. Talagang na-feel ko yung kanta, and very distinguished yung mga boses nila. Walang pare-parehas na tunog, no? Kasi may iba kasi na, because of certain influences sa ating as an artist, no, growing as an artist, may mga certain influences tayo na pare-parehas ng influences, no? So kaya may mga certain tones tayo na hindi natin namalaya na pwede palang parehas ng tunog ng ibang singers. But these 4 singers really have that distinct tone quality, and very distinguished talaga, and very ako surprised ako kay Miss Between, kasi hindi naman ako masyadong nagre-react sa kanya, or I'm not listening to her that often. So parang nagulat ako sa boses niya kasi it's very unique sa 4. Or maybe I'm just I'm very into Katrina, Clarice, and Morissette's voice, no? I'm very familiar with their voices compared to Miss Between, kaya medyo na pagpasok ni Miss Between para akong very unique, di ba? Sabi ko, very unique. So anyway, I think that's it. Nothing really fancy, but it was beautifully done and performed. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.